Hi, I'm Executive Director Ware Wendell, and I want to welcome you to a new series called The Rundown, where we give you the important information that you need to be up to date. Let's get started. After about 5 months, we now have a new insurance commissioner. His name is Kent Sullivan. He was an attorney at a big law firm, Jackson Walker. He was a justice on the 14th Court of Appeals, and he worked at the Attorney General's office. We wish him well. He's got a big job ahead of him, especially in the wake of Hurricane Harvey. We've got on our website some important resources, frequently asked questions that should be useful to you and your family, friends, and neighbors as you're rebuilding after Harvey. So we recommend you go there. We're hearing some troubling reports that TWIA, the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association, may be engaging in some swoop and settle tactics where they dangle a check in front of people, but they're not telling them how exactly they're adjusting their losses. If that's happening to you or to a loved one, please contact us. We want to hear from you. You know that we fought against the blue tarp bill. The insurance lobbyists pushed it through the legislature. We've now created a website that shows you how your lawmaker voted on it. Go to it, get informed. We're engaged in two national fights right now. The first is opposing H.R. 1215, which would impose Texas-style medical malpractice legal restrictions on the rest of the country. It's been a disaster here in Texas. It's hurt a lot of patients and a lot of families. We've created a website where you can get completely educated on the issue and also take action. Tell your senators, vote no on H.R. 1215. We're also involved in fighting the banking lobbyists in D.C. right now who don't like this rule that was passed by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. We testified in front of the CFPB and told them, please protect consumers. They did. They passed a rule that would help all of us. Now the lobbyists are trying to undo it. The fight's moving to the Senate. Call your senator and tell them, vote no, take action by signing the petition. We've asked the Texas Department of Insurance to investigate body shops and insurance companies to make sure that repairs are being made safely. A Dallas County jury recently found that they were not. In one case where a couple was crushed, the car caught on fire, and they sent a message that safety is not to be sacrificed in the name of profits. We commend that jury for sending that message and for protecting us. We also commend an auto body trade group for saying that they're going to take safety seriously. That's the way this is supposed to work. We wanted to call attention to a Supreme Court case where patients actually won before the Supreme Court. The case is called Bustamante versus Ponte, and it helps patients where, let's say, two doctors have combined to hurt them. To figure out how they hurt them, the Supreme Court actually issued an opinion that makes it easier for patients to prove their case, and we commend them for doing that. We have a fundraising campaign going right now so we can continue to do this important work. Please become a friend in the fight today by going to our website and donating what you can give to help Texas Watch continue this work. We can't do it without you. Go to texaswatch.org, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, subscribe to our podcast, and you can keep up with everything that we're up to. Keep up the fight.